Welcome you all to the digital class of mathematics. Today in our first session of chapter 3, playing with numbers, we will be learning about factors, multiples and then questions related to exercise 3.1. Now let's see what is a factor. A factor of a number is any amount that divides into that number exactly, leaving no remainder. Again, a factor of a number is any amount that divides into that number exactly, leaving no remainder. For example, 2 is a factor of 12 because 2 goes into 12 6 times and leaves no remainder. See, when we divide 12 from 2, so it is 2 6 are 12. Let's subtract what we are getting. We are getting the remainder 0. That means 2 is a factor of 12. And we say that 2 into 6 is equals to 12. That means अगर हम 12 को 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो भी उस केस में हमारा रिमाइंडर कितना आएगा 0. इसका मतलब 6 is also the factor of 12. So here are all the factors of 12. So 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is also 12. So we can say that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now let's see what is a multiple. A multiple of a number is the result of multiplying that number by an integer, just like timetables. That means, again, a multiple of a number is the result of multiplying that number by an integer. So, just like the timetable. For example, multiples of 2 is 2, 10, 8, 24. What we are saying, if I have to find out the multiple of 2, if I multiply with any integer, any whole number, that means if I multiply with 10, what I am getting 20. So that means 20 is the multiple of 2, right? So it's just the table. So 2 5s are 10, so 10 is the multiple. 2 4s are 8, so 8 is the multiple. 2 10s are 20, 20 is the multiple. 2 2s are 4, 4 is also the multiple of 2. Now let's see some multiples of 3. So 3, 15, 30, 16, 9. ये सारे नंबर आपके 3 से डिविजिबल है ना, 3 की टेबल में आते हैं. So वो आपके क्या हो जाते हैं मल्टीपल्स. If I ask the multiples of 5, that means 5, 25, 50, 20, 55. That means अगर आपको किसी भी नंबर के मल्टीपल्स निकालने हैं तो उस नंबर के सारे टेबल्स वाले वैल्यूज वो उसके क्या हो जाएंगे multiples. Now let's see, if one number is a multiple of other, it will divide exactly with no remainder. If we are saying 10 is a multiple of 2, it means कि अगर आप 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करो तो आपका रिमाइंडर 0 ही आएगा. Yes, because जो 10 है वो 2 की टेबल में 5 में जाता है तो रिमाइंडर तो 0 ही होता है. So that is why we are saying if one number is a multiple of another, it will divide exactly with no remainder. So now let us see an example where we can relate factors and multiples. So if I am multiplying 3 with 4, we are getting the product as 12. That means 3 and 4 are the factors of 12 and 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. I repeat what I said, that 3 and 4 are the factors of 12, right? क्योंकि 3 के टेबल में भी 12 आता है, 4 के टेबल में भी 12 आता है, तो 3 and 4 are the factors of 12 and we say that 12 is the multiple 12 is the multiple of both 3 and 4, क्योंकि 12 3 के टेबल में भी आता है and 4 के टेबल में भी आता है, right? So now let's see some facts about factors and multiples. The first one is every number is a factor of 1 and the number itself. Every number is a factor of 1 and the number itself. इसका मतलब है हर एक नंबर खुद का फैक्टर और 1 का फैक्टर जरूर होता है, क्योंकि वो नंबर 1 के टेबल में तो आएगा ही आएगा और खुद के टेबल में भी आएगा. Supposingly if I take the example 5, right? तो हम लिखते हैं ना 1 into 5 is equals to 5. तो 5 1 के टेबल में भी आएगा और 5 के टेबल में भी आएगा. That means the number itself and 1. The second is factors of a given number is smaller than or equal to that number. You can easily see here, or if I can write another example, that means 2 into 3 is 6. तो 2 और 3 factors हुए ना 6 के, right? 2 और 3, these are the factors of 6. और ये ही जो 2 और 3 है वो 6 से क्या है, छोटे. So remember one thing, the factor of a given number is smaller. या तो छोटा होगा या उसके इक्वल भी हो सकता है. जैसे इस केस में देखो, these factor 1 and 5, they are the factors of 5, right? 5 के इक्वल ही है. So we can say that factors of a given number is smaller than or equal to that number. Now let's see the third one. Every number is a multiple of each of its factor. हर एक multiple उसके factors को multiply करने पे आ जाता है. यही है. अगर हम बोले जो multiple है 6 के factors 2 और 3, तो 2 और 3 को into करोगे तभी तो 6 आएगा. Every number is a multiple of itself. हर नंबर खुद का जरूर मल्टीपल होता है, क्योंकि हम लिख सकते हैं ना 1 into 6 is also 6, right? Now multiples of a given number are greater than or equal to that number. अगर मुझे 6 के मल्टीपल्स बताने हैं या मुझे 8 के मल्टीपल्स बताने हैं, तो 6 के मल्टीपल्स क्या होंगे, 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. And if I talk about 8, तो 8 के मल्टीपल्स 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. तो अगर आप देखो जितने भी मल्टीपल्स हैं 6 के, या तो वो 6 है या तो 6 से बड़े हैं. सेम हियर 8 के मल्टीपल्स या 8 है या तो 8 से बड़े नंबर्स हैं, राइट? सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, मल्टीपल ऑफ अ गिवन नंबर आर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू दैट नंबर, and factors of a given number is smaller than or equal to that number. This means factors हमेशा एक given number के उससे छोटे हो सकते हैं या उसके equal हो सकते हैं, and multiple एक given number के या तो उसके equal हो सकते हैं या उससे बड़े हो सकते हैं. Now let's see exercise 3.1, the first question. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Now you need to write down the factors of the given number. तो ये हम method use करेंगे, इसमें U method. We will be using U method to find out the factors of 24. That means हमें ये देखना है 24 किस किस के टेबल में आता है. So let's start with 1. 1 के टेबल में तो हर एक नंबर आता है. अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा that every number, that factor of every number is 1 and the number itself. So we can write 24 as 1 into 24 is equals to 24. Now 24 is an even number, तो वो 2 के टेबल में आएगा, right? Now 2 into 12 is 24. Now 24 comes in the table of 3, yes. So we will write down 3 into 8 is equals to 24. 3 8s are 24. Now 4 के टेबल में 24 आता है, yes. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. The next number is 5. 5 के टेबल में 24 नहीं आता. The next table is 6. और 6 already we have written here. So that means these are the factors of 24. So we will make a U here. That is why this method is called U method, to find out the factors. So we will write down at the end, therefore factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Right? Now let's see the second part where you need to find out all the factors of 15. So first we will see at 1. 1 into 15 is equals to 15. 15 2 की टेबल में नहीं जाएगा क्योंकि वो इवन नंबर नहीं है. Now it will go on the table of 3. 3 5s are 50. Right? 4 की टेबल में 15 नहीं आता. 5 की टेबल में 15 आता है और 5 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे है तो ये आपका फिनिश हो गया. तो you will make a U here and then you will write down at the end therefore factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now let's see the C part where you need to find out the factors of 21. So 21 1 की टेबल में तो आएगा ही आएगा. So we will write it down 1 into 21 equals to 21. अब 2 की टेबल में 21 आता है? No, because 21 is not an even number. 3 की टेबल में 21? Yes. So we will write down 3 into 7 is equals to 21. 4 के टेबल में? No. 5 के टेबल में? No. 6 के टेबल में? No. 7 के टेबल में? Yes. And we have already mentioned here 7. So now it is complete. So we'll make a U here and we will write down therefore factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now let's see the D part where you need to find out the factors of 27. So first it will go at 1. So 1 into 27 is equals to 27. It is again an odd number. So ये 2 की टेबल में नहीं जाएगा. 3 की टेबल में 27 किस पे आता है? 3 into 9 is equals to 27. Now 27 ना 4 की टेबल में आता है, ना 5 की टेबल में आता है, ना 6, ना 7, ना 8. तो लास्ट आता किस पे? 9. 9 is already we have mentioned here. So here we will make the U again and we will write down therefore factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. तो अब इन सारे फैक्टर्स में देख रहे हो कि उन जिस नंबर का आप फैक्टर निकाल रहे हो उसमें वो नंबर भी आ रहा है एंड 1 भी आ रहा है. ये हमने भी पीछे पढ़ा था दैट फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर is 1 and the number itself. Now let's see question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of the given numbers. You have to write down the first 5. तो आप any 5 नहीं लिख सकते हो. You have to write down the first 5. So you will write down the statement here for the A part. First 5 multiples of 5 are. So पहला 5 की टेबल में नंबर क्या आता है? 5. Next 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. And 5 5s are 25. So these 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are the first 5 multiples of 5. Now let's find it out for 8. The first 5 multiples of 8 are. तो आपको 8 का टेबल लिखना है स्टार्टिंग 5 तक. So it is 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40. The C part you have to write down the first 5 multiples of 9. The first 5 multiples of 9 are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 and 9 5s are 45. So these are the first 5 multiples of 9. Now let's see question number 4. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. आपको 100 तक सारे multiples बताने हैं 9 के. So it is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Now 9 6 are 54, 9 7 are 63, 9 8 are 72, 9 9 are 81, 9 10 are 90, 9 11 are 99. नाउ इसके बाद अगर आप कोई भी नंबर लिखोगे मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, वो 100 से ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा. वी हैव टू राइट डाउन ओनली द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 9 अप टू 100. सो these all are the multiples of 9 up to 100. Clear? Now let's see, students, in your homework you need to write down the introduction part. Introduction part means what are multiples, what are factors, and then the facts about multiples and factors, as well as the quotient discussed of exercise 3.1 in your mathematics notebook. Also, you need to do question number 3, which I have mentioned here in your homework. Thank you.